Hello, everybody. All right, so you all wanted to see this, so we're going to do that. All right, so I have been documenting or journaling, scrapbooking. I don't know what you would call it. It's sort of a mixture between junk journaling, scrapbooking, occasionally art journaling because I'll stick pieces of artwork in here. I've been doing this for a long time. I document places we go, things that we do, people that we see. And again, I've been doing it a long time. This is the 2025 one. It's just about full, and I think I can fit two more events in here. We did go on a really big vacation recently. I don't think it's going to fit because I don't think there's enough pages. Now, none of my little memory book scrapbook things, rarely are they skinnier than that. They all end up being huge. I have been for a while using up pre-made journals that I have, or binders or something, because I always end up like just creating chaos in them. So there's no point in getting super fancy. If I see something that will work going forward, or that might work, that has like big rings on it, that's on clearance, then I would pick that up. Okay, so this one is going to be about my birthday weekend. So the first thing I had to do was, of course, print pictures, which I did, because we did a couple of different things. So on my birthday, we went to the coast. And then the day after my birthday, which was a Sunday, we went to a drag race. And do I remember where the drag race was exactly? No. This has to do with the park. This is a birthday gift from a friend. The card that came with it. We did go to the drag race. I don't remember where it was. It was a little bit of away from here. I don't remember. I do have the bracelets. It was fun though. Loud and noisy, but they had a car show there. So anyway, it was a lot of fun. So the first thing we're going to do is day one. I do try to keep them in some kind of order, which is go to the beach. Now, we did end up going to Long Beach, Washington, and having a meal there for my birthday, which was really, really good. Drop Anchor Seafood and Grill. Really liked that place. We tried to walk to the lighthouse in Cape Disappointment, and I did pick up a map thing. We didn't make it because my asthma was just not having a great day, and I almost passed out. So there's that. It is not an easy walk by any stretch of anybody's imagination. So if you're going to try it, feel free, but take it easy. I always, when we go anywhere, whether it's for the day or for vacation, I save the receipts. Why? I have no idea. I just do. And so that will be part of what we put on the page. First, I want to add in this. I forgot to get some tape, so let me grab some tape. Oh, we're going to keep it easy. Yes, I have drawers and drawers of washi tape, but masking tape works. You don't have to get fancy about it. Okay. So I'll put this, put this here. Flip it back. Add a little bit of glue. This is just plain old white school glue. I did get some, this is Dollar Tree glue, but I did get some Elmer's this morning at Walmart. Back to school leftovers. It was on clearance. I didn't get a lot. I got 2 of them. A little bit of glue with the tape will just ensure that it doesn't go anywhere. Okay. All right, so there's that. I like that. I do have a clear pocket I got these a long time ago on Amazon. And the receipts will go in there. I did find a couple of like beach themed stickers or a quote, which actually I think is very appropriate. So you fight until you can't fight anymore. It's from somebody named Amelia Shepherd. I don't know who she is, but yeah, I did try to do the walk to the lighthouse. I got 3/4 of the way up and then thought I was going to pass out, so we had to stop. So, but I did see some beautiful things. So I'm going to add the sticker in. I have a picture of hubby and I. I spent a couple of hours the other day just printing photos. So let's see. Excuse me. I want to leave some room in between to do some writing, which I always do. I really want to put this here. I know it looks really busy, but I tend to try not to overthink things. I try. Do I accomplish that often? No. Now I have a little small old LG pocket photo printer. There's lots of other pocket photo printers out there. I do have an Polaroid camera, but this was right before I thought I was going to pass out. There's this big, huge tree on the path that you can sit on, take pictures on. Beautiful tree, beautiful views. And this is the beach. I did get to the beach. What was I saying? I forgot now. I try not to overthink things and just go with whatever happens. I'm going to put this here. Okay. And that leaves me a lot of room to do some writing. So I love that, or drawing or sketching. So I'm going to turn the page and I'm going to add the rest of the weekend, which again was just the drag race. It wasn't anything. I did get a cool picture of this car with the flag on it, the antenna, and our 2 bracelets, which we will staple in. Whoop. Okay. And then I have this card that came with a birthday gift from a friend, and her message was on one of these. Let's see. I thought it was. Oh, yeah, here we go. So first thing I'm going to do is glue the message into the card. And then I'm going to put the card in. If you hear that in the background, I hesitated filming this because the neighbor's having a big tree cut down, and I mean big tree. And all morning so far, all we've been hearing is buzz, buzz. So anyway, all right. So that is that. I'm gonna sit now and do some writing. I'll do that off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, So lately I've just been keeping it pretty simple, putting in my little collections of things and doing some writing, which is more scrapbooky junk journal than it is art journal. But I'm okay with that. It's all about doing it and not how you do it. There's no, you'll notice my writing is messy. Occasionally I'm not even sure I spelled the word right, but that's okay. It's not about perfection. It's about documenting my life, documenting my experiences, and creating some fabulous memories. If I can do this, you guys can do this. I just, yeah. So, and I use the things I've collected to create flip outs. They're probably full of receipts, and I save the maps and Sedonuts. Oh, if you're in Sedona, Arizona, go to Sedonuts. Good coffee, good donuts, yeah. Anyway, if I can do this, you can do this. I hope it gives you some ideas of what you can do. This will be like a little 3-part series. I have another short one, and then there'll be a long one because I just got back from Italy. And I think that one's gonna just be in a whole like brand new journal. Anyway, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. And I'll see you later. Bye, guys.